Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a maintenance routine for the cold weather, whether Harmattan or winter, with products that are affordable, healthy, easily accessible. So let's do this. So let's just say the cold Harmattan has had an adverse effect on me physically, mentally, and the process I'm about to show you is one of the ways that I use to combat it. So on a typical cold morning, when I wake up, I usually like to sit on the bed for a while. It's like it's more or less like I don't want to get up, but I really need to get up. So I sit there for a while and then I get up. Then I kneel down and I say my morning prayers, because how can I not give thanks to God? I mean, who would I be if it hasn't been for God? So I love to give thanks to God. So I say my morning prayers and then straight I begin to read my Bible. That's I call it quiet time. And today I'm reading First Peter. So I read my Bible and I meditate on it. So after I've read my Bible, I go to the bathroom to do my oral hygiene. And in terms of the paste that I use, I usually like activated charcoal paste, natural paste that contain natural extract and stuff, aloe vera and stuff. But I'm not rigid, I'm flexible, guys. So this, or in situations where I don't find any of that, I just use what I have. And then I get active for the day. I need to get in some exercise. So the first exercise I usually like to do is working the pectoral muscles underneath the breast. It helps the girls to sit upright. I usually like working my pectoral muscles. So if any of you want the girls to sit up, I highly suggest doing this kind of exercise, working the pectoral muscles. The pectoral muscles is usually underneath the breast, for those of you who don't know. Then I'm doing stomach exercise. This kind of exercise help your stomach to be flat. So it's very. I don't know the word to use, but when you do this kind of exercise, you get tired easily. It's very, it makes you tired. It makes you tired. So, but the result that you get, is so worth it, guys. So I usually like to work out my stomach. So if any of you want to have a flat stomach, I suggest you try this type of exercise. I usually like working out, especially days that I have extra times. It helps me get a clear mind, and physically it helps me with it. Whenever I finish exercise, I can see my energy level has gone up. So I really love exercise. Then after I exercise, I usually like hard fruits, and today I chose coconuts. So I sit down and I enjoy my fruits. Every other day, I usually like to run or walk, and today is one of the days that I felt like walking around the compound. So I just did that. And guys, walking usually help with joint pains. So if you are looking to just ease your joint pains, I suggest walking around, and also help heart condition. So early morning running or walking usually help the overall health, the heart condition and the joint pains. So I love to do that. So on a cold mornings like this, I usually like to light candles in the morning after I've gone for a walk or a run. I just light candles. So I just stare at it for a while and then I move. Then back to breakfast. So today I had a slice of bread with fruits. My typical fruit, I tend to change it, but today I chose orange slices and coconuts with a slice of bread for my breakfast. Food is ready. So I sit down and I enjoy my food. Very calming, sitting down and eating and then relaxing the mind. Very calming. I don't know the word to use, but it's so peaceful and calm. Then I go straight for my personal hygiene. And today I'm using my Aval soap, my all-time favorite Aval soap, to cleanse my face. Then I go in with a mask. This is a home remedy mask. I've already shown this mask in one of my vlogs. It's made of turmeric and honey. So I'm just going to use my brush and apply it. It's very good for oily skin, guys. And then I'll do body scrub. I'm going to scrub my body. I've forgotten where I got it. I'll check it and link it in the description box. So I sit down and I scrub my body. The mask I applied earlier on is very good for oily skin because your girl is oily. So I love applying masks that really favors oily skin or that works well with oily skin. So as I sit down and I scrub my whole body. Then after scrubbing my legs, my thighs, I go straight to my hands, my back, and the rest. You guys know I cannot show you the rest of my body. So this is the best I can do. So now see the marks on my face, guys. See the mask. Then I wash down with body wash. So at this time I've already washed away the mask after cleaning myself. So I just use a towel to wipe the water off my body and my face as well. So now to skincare, I begin by using my eye cream. Guys, I will link the product in the description box. And then my Citroclear concentrated serum. I've already talked about this serum in my nighttime routine. So guys, if you really want to know how this serum works, please I suggest you watch my nighttime routine video. It contains lemon extract and other natural herbs. Then I use my sunscreen. I use an oil-based sunscreen because I've already said this. Your girl is oily, so I don't want to use any product that will dry out the skin and the skin end up producing more oil, because the more you dry out the oil, the more it's going to produce more oil. So it's better we apply a little bit of oil so that it produces less. That's the signs of the skin. Then I'll apply my Ashes lip balm and then I go straight to body butter. Today I'm using Queen Elizabeth cocoa butter. It's my favorite since I was a teenager, guys. I buy other body butters, but I always end up going back to this. Then I use my Body Philosophy body mix or body splash, however you want to call it. I'm trying to remember the name. I'm trying to pronounce the name right. It's called Body Philosophy body mix. Yes, I call it body splash. Then the learning lady in me will never let me go a day without learning something new. And a few people I admire in life always taught me one thing: it's never too late to learn a new skill. So today I sat down this afternoon and then I read my book. to learn something new. It's never too late, guys, to learn a new skill. So I really love learning and reading to help me improve or learn a new skill. So this is me after relaxing in my chair and then reading my book. Then lunchtime rhythms, guys. It's time for lunch, and today I cooked spiced rice with grilled chicken. I decided to top it with carrots for a healthy option, guys. The rice is an unrefined rice, by the way, guys. This food is so yummy. So I sit down and I do justice to the food. I just enjoy the food. At the end of the day, I like to read to improve my memory and also to distress. And today I'm reading things I wish I had known before I got married by Carrick Chapman. And I'm at this chapter, solving disagreements without arguing. I love it. So yeah, that's my cold Harmattan maintenance routine. Or those of us that live in winter, that's my cold weather, whether Harmattan or winter maintenance routine. This routine has really helped me over the years in terms of wellness, distressing, glowy skin, name it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you find value out of it, and I hope you can also adopt or it inspires you to start your own routine. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Share the video, guys, to your friends and loved ones for the family to grow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to do anything you need to do, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.